from the great Sunshine State of Florida. Today, as usual, it's gonna be my Tool Time Thursday. As I said, it's tools, different items that I consider tools. Some people may not consider them tools, but this week definitely is a tool. It's not a common one, especially if you don't work on your own vehicle, especially with the exhaust and stuff like that. So, as usual, guys, if this is your first time checking out the channel, please hit that subscribe button down below. Hit that bell icon, ding, for future uploads. Comment, like, and definitely share the videos. And Tool Time Thursday, let's get it going. So today's tool will be my Mac tools. That's the part number right there. I'll have to put the price of it in the description. So what this is an oxygen sensor tool, O2. So you see it has the slit right there for the wires to go through. So I had to redo I took my Catless Midpipes off because I got some V-band clamps welded on there. So I'm gonna make my exhaust in V-band clamps so I could quick disconnect it instead of trying to undo these, where's the other ones? Try to undo these clamps. I have some clamps. Let me see where they are. Which is not as secure as the other ones. So I have these clamps right here, right there. So what I'm gonna redo, I'm redoing them with the V-bands. So the V-bands is more secure and less susceptible to, what's it called? Exhaust leaks. Is my oxygen sensor. So what this is a standoff. I had that on before I got the car tuned to help prevent the oxygen sensor from burning out. But on the right side, one of them burnt out. I'm not sure if it's bank 1 or bank 2. So what I did was I went to my local Dodge dealership, thanks to Chris and Jay. So that's one of the part numbers. And then that's the other part number so I just bought 2 oxygen sensors for the right side. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go ahead and take the standoff off. So what this tool do is, if you see it has a split, even if it's in the car, you just go ahead and you put it through the wires like this, then it slides down. But I need to take this one off. No, actually I don't need to take this one off. This is the good one. That's why I labeled it, guys. Bad. So I need to take this one off. So I'm gonna pull this off. I'm gonna put this in here. And then I'm gonna go ahead and slide this through. And you just use it like any other wrench. So I'm gonna go ahead and push down on it. Ah, success. So I have it separated. So what I'm gonna do now is I'm gonna put these standoff back in, and I'm also gonna use some anti-seize. But see how easy this works? And it works great too if it's already on the car and you don't have the exhaust off. And like the other one on my other headers, I'm going to show you how to use it while it's still on. But this is the tool, oxygen sensor tool. There's some that's a socket. I like this one because you don't have to worry about putting the socket on and they're deeper. And then this one, if you can't get it in a tight area, it swivels. And it's pretty heavy duty. And it got a good handle on it. Plus, if you need to put a cheater pipe on this, you can, to break loose the oxygen sensors. So some of them is pretty tight. But yeah, guys, Mac tools, oxygen sensor tool. It got different sizes. It got the 12 point on one side, and then it has the 6 point on the other side. So yeah, it's a great tool. I'm gonna go ahead and put everything back together, and I'll show you the one underneath the cars. Underneath the car, I'm gonna see if I could be able to take it off and record at the same time, as I'll be under the car up there, so I'm not sure how it will be, but I'll try and get it out.
So right up here, this is the bank one as well. I don't remember which one is out. I just know it's on this side. So what I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna replace both of them and be done with it. Especially with tuning the car and running on the dyno. My tuner, I guess because one of them is a wideband, he doesn't want to run it with a bad oxygen sensor. So let me go ahead and unplug this one up here. And now I'm gonna take this, and then let me see, I'm gonna go with the 6-point. And bend it on there so it's on, and I'm gonna, wow, that was pretty impressed already. As you can see, this is my first time I got to use it. I need to break it loose some more. Sorry about the shaky video, trying to get a good angle for you guys. And then like I say, it flips. So if you have a hard time with the 6-point, you could always go to the 12-point and get a little bit more turn out of it. Because with the 6-point, you don't have to, with the 12-point, you don't have to be so, the 6-point give you a little bit more room to get it in, turn it in a tight situation. That's what I'm trying to say. So, okay guys, with the angle and this lip right here, the other oxygen sensor removal tool wasn't working that great, or I have to take too long. So I went and bust out my other set. I'll show you it once I get from underneath the car, but this one used a 1/2 inch and it looks like a star pattern, but that's just to get it in there at different angles. So I did, as a split. So I just take this, set it in there like that. Then that's got the 1/2 inch on there, flex. And then once you get to a certain part, you gotta take it back off. And looky there, oxygen sensor is out. So this right here is the other part to this set. Again, oxygen sensor tools. I said this one has the 1/2 inch drive. This one's a 3/8. A little bit different type, because not all oxygen sensors are the same. And then these are for the deep ones to get down further if you have the room to work with a deep one. I said this one, the part number is SS3K. It has the set, and of course use the ratchet. But I'm going to use it to install it, get it all tight back up, get it all buttoned up. Alright, so finally got all that installed with the tool, oxygen sensor tool. Again, thank you guys for watching the videos. Definitely hit that subscribe button down below, the bell icon, ding, for future uploads. Also like, share, comment with the videos. And yeah, and thank you for another Tool Time Thursday. Until next week. Peace.
I don't know what sleep is. I got a queen, she lit me to evening. She ripe like a peach and she snapped me the snippet. You well overdue for that link up in person. Text me to fall through a murder, she wrote it. Still up with courage, you're doing a service. Pull up to the crib, I'm equipped with the brush strokes. Cutthroat from the low, where no love goes. Women, buddy.